What's up, Gadgeteers? Welcome back to Gadget Beard. Today we have a travel laptop backpack from Tolacea with an extra toiletry bag. This bag comes with a extra toiletry bag, which is pretty big if you say. Look at this bad boy. Very nice bag here. They're calling it a toiletry bag, so you can fit a bunch of stuff in here. You got two compartments. You got a side compartment here, and then this big compartment right there. And you zip it up, and you have your handle like so. Very nice, good quality toiletry bag. So you get both of these included, but we're here to talk about this travel laptop backpack. Now this is a 40 to 45 liter. It does have an expandable section here. If you need the extra 5 liters, you can unzip it and it will expand. And let me show you how. Right here, this is the expansion. And zips and expands, and in the front you have another compartment that's easily accessible from the front with extra more room if you absolutely need to use it. This buckle expands, giving you the room needed for a sweater, blanket, or anything like that, as well as a pocket here inside that's lined in this soft microfiber material. This can be easily stored, but you do have also a waterproof compartment that's protected from the elements that you can use to store wet clothes, or if you want to keep something dry or something like that. You have this waterproof compartment right there. Close that up. You have easy access compartment here on top, and this backpack is suited for a 17-inch laptop, a tablet. You can put a laptop, 17-inch laptop in there, a tablet. Some additional accessories here. Power brick here. No organization tray. This pretty expandable here. And if you go ahead and unzip this, you have your main compartment now. I'm currently going on a trip, and I do have enough clothes packed for 10 days here. I did put them in compression cubes. It is a very big bag. You can put a lot of clothes in there. Like I said, it's expandable to 45 liters, which is good. I have 2 shorts. I have 1 compression cube, about a medium size from Tripped. These are actually good if you don't know about these. Small ones for my underwear and socks. I got my t-shirts in here, and then I got shorts and additional t-shirts in here, this big bag. As you can see, very nice big compartment. Also, if you want to separate, in case you have some clean clothes but a lot of dirty clothes after your trip, this right here collapses down, and then you have a compartment down here that opens and expands into this compartment. So if you have mostly dirty clothes and a couple of clean clothes, you can kind of separate it to keep your clean clothes from getting dirty and smelly from your dirty clothes. But other than that, this is a very versatile bag. It's very good. You can carry all your laptop, your tablets, all your technology that you need to carry for a business trip, as well as your outfits for about think about a week you can fit. If you're a better packer than I am, you can probably fit probably more. You do have side handles here. You got MOLLE webbing anywhere, so you can attach the carabiners in any of these spots. You got handles on the side, on the top, and you do have additional pockets here on the sides as well. So there is storage everywhere in this bag. As you can see, this probably seems like a water bottle pocket with a lanyard there. So there is storage absolutely everywhere on this bag. The straps are very nice and cushioned, as well as the backrest here, very plush, very cushioned. It does have this mesh like material, so it's breathable. And then you got your suitcase luggage here. If you want to strap this on your carry-on and run the handle through there, you absolutely can. So there you have it, guys. This is very nice backpack, very versatile, a Tolacea Travel Laptop Backpack for all your travel needs.